Alright, so I'm going to CFMoto warehouse to install the crash guards, the panniers, and the skid plate and everything. The thing is, when I got the bike, I got it with all the accessories, and they had two colors, black and silver. And I asked for silver. And to my surprise, the day they delivered the bike, everything is in black. And I'm like, oh, what is this? I asked for silver. They were like, yeah, but we didn't have silver. I'm like, yeah, but that's not my problem. So they were like, okay, don't worry about it. We will get you the silver ones. But to be honest, the guys at CFMoto Dubai, they're amazing. They literally ordered everything from CFMoto Saudi all the way to Dubai just for me. So they were like, take the bike. Once everything is here, you can come and install it. So I'm like, okay. Then I told them, what if I drop the bike? What if I break something? What if they get scratches and stuff? They were like, don't worry about it. Just take the bike. Do whatever you want to do with the bike. And if something happens to it, it's all covered. I actually did drop the bike. And yeah, so I'm going now to install the new ones. So let's see. It took me a while to find it actually. Here it is. Here? My box. This is a $50 exhaust from Amazon, and I made this little bracket here to fit. And I got this as well for the oil cover, and I got this from there as well. It says CFMoto on it. So these are the original CFMoto boxes that come with the bike. That's looking pretty good now. So the guys told me it's hitting here slightly, but I think it's fine. I can adjust this clip over here to make it slightly inside, so it's better that way. But it's okay.
ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਤਲਾ ਖੋਲਿਆ ਨਾ ਇਹ ਬੋਲ ਰਾਣਾ ਇਹ ਉਤਲਾ ਚਾਰ ਆ ਲਾਓ ਇਹ ਵਾਲਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ
This one is really good. I mean, it's pretty thick. The one that comes originally with the bike is very thin, but this one is amazing. It's very thick.
Received this one 4 5 days ago.
This is black?
I think this is all black. Yes.
All black.
All black.
Okay.
These are all the accessories that we received. Now
Okay.
we are just in the position in the process of counting. Then we will put it in our racks.
Okay.
But we are receiving as per the units.
Okay. So for now you have these silver only.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
That's the only we have right now.
But
These are the
the crash guard, I'm gonna ask the guys to bring the crash guard silver. Once they bring it,
Just tell them like this. Okay, I'm going, but I need these three also.
okay.
When it is ready, then tell me. Or maybe you can ask them to send someone to fix it.
So it turned out that they have everything in silver that I need except for the crash guard. This one right here, they don't have it in silver. So I have to wait for this one to arrive. I'm just gonna ask them to send it to me actually. I'm not gonna come here again to do this. All right, so this is the final look. There's one thing though. I got the silver boxes, I got the silver skid plate and this one, but this one apparently they don't have in silver. And I have to wait for this one. So I asked the guys, once you receive it, send it to me. I'm not gonna drive all the way and come for this one thing. But rest all, I got silver, so that's perfect. And this is how she looks now. Let's go. Is my bike gonna go from here? The pannier is not gonna hit? I have no idea. No. All right. So I got everything done. Not everything. This remains black. That's okay. Another time. Okay, back on highway. I hate riding on highway. I hate it. This freaking helmet stripe is hitting the helmet like crazy. I'm just gonna stop and put it on. The thing is, I can't do it with the gloves on. I have to remove these. Okay. Okay. This sunset is so good. Wow. Can't believe it. Anyways, this is it for today. I'm gonna end this video here because it's dark already. And if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. It helps a lot. And do not forget to subscribe. See you on another video.